guys, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I've come back with another video, guys. So as you saw in the title, today I'll be updating you on my locks. Today it's 9th of June 2021. I've turned 15 months since I decided to lock my hair, and this time I went with Microlocs. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please welcome. I'm called Nancy and I do live in South France. So guys, if you're interested, let's go ahead and get started. So guys, last year in Jan, that was 2020, 18th of January, I decided to do a big chop, and the reason behind that was my hair was getting longer and heavy, plus it was really very hard for me to dry my locks because I never used hair dryers. So, and also the second reason why I wanted just a change, I wanted to lock my short hair. So I did a big chop actually, and I did not enjoy that much my short hair because I kept it only for 3 weeks and I was missing my locks. So I decided to lock my hair back again, but for this time I went for Microlocs. As you can see, this is how my hair looks like. So yeah, I'll insert in a video to show you how I used to look like with short. So guys, as you can see, this was my locks which I had for the past 5 years, and when I did a big chop, this is how I looked like. But I did not enjoy that much my hair because after 3 weeks I started to miss my hair, so I decided to go for Microlocs, and I did not attach my locks. Up to now I still have them. So yeah, I did not reattach them, so this time I decided to go for Microlocs. So now here we are. I started my own hair. I'm not a professional, but I used to have a little bit of that experience since I was maintaining my hair for the past 5 years, so it was a little bit easier for me to start my own hair. And the method which I'm using while retightening my Microlocs, I do use interlock method with a crochet. So I always maintain my own hair on my own time, but when I'm retightening, I always wait for between 4 to 6 weeks. That is the longest I've ever gone without retightening my hair. So guys, I'll show you how my hair looks like, the front view as you can see now, and also the side view and the back view. So let me just show you, or let me just do a 360 for you guys. So this is the front view, side view, and this is my back view. So guys, that's how my hair looks like at the age of 15 months. So guys, about maintaining my hair, it's really very easy for me because I do use interlocking method. Plus, when it comes to moisturizing my locks, I always go for water-based products, and I always use the favorite oils which I do love. For example, tea tree oil, coconut oil, plus Jamaican mango and lime oil. So I do oil my hair once every week. Then in the morning I always spray my locks with water. So that's how I maintain my locks. And this is the closer view, guys. So guys, I decided not to compare my hair with someone else's hair because we do have different texture or different type of hair. So maybe someone else out there who has turned 15 months has longer hair than mine or shorter hair than mine. So yeah, so this is how my hair looks like. As you can see, let me just come a little bit closer. So, and I'm proud of myself. So guys, that was the update on my locks. And guys, if you're new to my channel, please welcome. Don't hesitate to click that red button by subscribing to my channel for more videos. And if it's your first time to stop by, please welcome. Don't forget to share, like, and comment. See you in my next video.